In today's video, we will be unboxing and setting up the Apple Watch Series 7, the midnight color. So what are the differences compared to the Series 6? It has a 1mm larger case, 20% more screen area, 33% faster charging, IP6X dust resistance and crack resistant front glass, up to 70% brighter always on display indoors when your wrist is down. So now let's open up the box. As you can see, the design of the outer cover is filled with lots of combinations of the Apple Watch. So what are the differences compared to the Apple Watch SE? So first of all, it has the most crack resistant front crystal in the Apple Watch. Also has a certified IP6S dust resistance, an always on display, which the SE doesn't have, a 20% larger display, the blood oxygen app and the ECG app. So here we're opening the box with the band inside. Here it tells us how to put it on. We have 3 different bands. One is the small and medium size, and the other one is the medium and large size. Let's check them out. Now let's open the box with the actual Apple Watch inside. So as you can see here, we have some paperwork. We also have the charging cable, on which end is USB-C and on the other end is magnets on which the back of the Apple Watch connects to charge. Now let's check out the actual watch. So as you can see, it's covered in a cardboard, which protects the watch from damages while shipping. Let's open it and put it in the watch band. As you can see on the back, there are sensors. So to connect it to a watch band, we just slide it in. So we slid it into one side. Now let's slide the other one into the other side. Now we're ready to set up the Apple Watch, but before that, let me tell you some differences compared to the Series 3. The differences are a 50% more screen area, a blood oxygen app, an ECG app, an international emergency calling, fall detection, a compass, an always on altimeter. On the Series 3 it's not always on. It has a cellular option, family setup option, faster charging, and noise monitoring. Now let's set it up. As you can see, when you bring it next to the iPhone, it automatically shows this small pane. Here I can set it up for myself. It's going to ask me to put the Apple Watch in frame. Now my Apple Watch is paired. I'm going to set it up as a new Apple Watch. And I'm going to set it up so it's on my left hand. It's going to take a while to get to my Apple Watch. Now it asks me to agree to the terms and conditions. Now it's going to sign into my account. This takes quite a while. Now, after this, it's going to ask us to customize our watch, as you can see. First of all, it asks us to change the text size if we want to, and make it bold or not. As you can see, it updates in real time. I'm going to keep it over here. Here it's going to ask us to add a passcode. Now that I've created my passcode, it's going to ask us if we want to enable blood oxygen now. I'm going to click on enable. Here it's going to ask us to update our Apple Watch. I'll click on continue. Now it's going to ask us for Apple Pay. I click on setup later. Here it's going to ask us for the emergency SOS and fault detection. I clicked on continue and also continue over here. Here I'm going to click on later since I don't want to install the apps right now. I'm going to select the grid view. Now the Apple Watch is syncing. So now that the Apple Watch is set up, let's see it. Here's the app. And as you can see, here's the grid view. Thanks for watching.